Orange, you're doing this all wrong!
Well, if helping a noble cause is wrong, then I don't want to be right! Yeah!
Oh, let's go, baby!
Best charity ever!
Oh, what? Oh, what?
Yeah!
No!
Kura!
Oh, look at the water ripple on my muscles! It's freezing.
Oh, let's go, baby! Wait, stop! No!
Hey!
Let's go, baby!
Wow! Ice to
Enough!
come on, Pear. Just one more.
One. Just one, and then you are done!
Oh! Suddenly I feel like I've learned the folly of my ways. Oh! Can I do a do-over?
No!
So what happens now?
Well, if you had done it right, you could nominate someone else for the challenge. But in this case, I think you better just cough up a donation.
Good call!
Blah! Dude, gross!
What? Don't they take Visa? Yeah!